Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Karina, and in today's video we're gonna be doing a first impression on Ardell's magnetic liner and lash. I currently have the lashes on. It is already the end of the day. I actually filmed an intro before I applied the lashes, which by the way I might still insert some of those clips here at the beginning. But anyways, so it's already the end of the day, and I've had these lashes on pretty much the entire afternoon. It rained today, like really bad, so it's been really gloomy the entire afternoon. So yeah, the lighting was just really off. But this was something super new for me, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I would really appreciate it, and thank you so much for your support. So I'm sure many of you have heard of magnetic lashes. I've actually never tried them before. So this will actually be my first time trying them out. These are the Ardell magnetic liner and lash. It comes with a gel liner and a set of lashes in wispies, which are normally the ones that I get from Ardell. So when I saw these, I was like, okay, well, let's give it a try. So here's the thing, I went on YouTube and I watched a couple of videos on, I guess like tips or tricks or whatever, you know, how to put these on. And a lot of the ones I saw said that you should apply your normal liner first and then go in with the gel liner and then put the lash on. So we're gonna cheat and do that because they're saying that like this gel liner is super sticky and really thick, and I mean I can't even apply, why do I keep looking over there? And I can't even apply, you know, liner as it is, like regular liner. So I'm just gonna cheat, you guys, and I'm gonna put like my regular liner and then put this one on top, and we'll see how it goes. You can kind of see like on the lash band where it has those little like rectangle looking thingies, so that's the magnet that's gonna stick to this. Coming off. All right, let's try this again without the tweezers. They're on there, but I don't know if they're like on there. You know what I mean? Like if they're really like gripping onto that magnetic thing. I'm gonna apply more liner because I think I didn't apply enough. I think they're on there. Yo, I think they're on there. Está toda volada la lash. Oh my god. You guys, when I tell you I suck at applying lashes, I'm not kidding. Okay, it's on. Took me forever. I mean, oh, it's coming off again. Okay, I think I have that one on. I'm just gonna go to the next one because I'm struggling with that one and it's annoying me. To be honest, I think I should have not applied liner first because I can't see how much I'm applying. So I think that's why it's struggling to like stick on. Okay, like this one is falling off from here. Do you guys see this? What am I doing wrong? So I finally got both of them on. It was such a bitch to put these on. I mean, I don't know if it's just me. It might be just me. So yeah, I can definitely feel where the magnets are. Like it feels a little bit heavier on those parts. They're poking me a little bit, but again, I don't know if that's because I applied them wrong. Like you guys, I really suck at applying lashes. I mean, they're on there. They look like regular wispies. My eyes kind of like not hurting, but like I can feel pressure there. I wonder how safe that is for your eyeball, like to have a magnet on there. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go ahead and wear them for the rest of the day and check in with y'all to see if they're still on, or I don't know. I mean, I don't know if they're just gonna fly off with the wind or what's gonna happen. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in a few hours to see how it's going. It's been about 2 minutes since the last clip that I filmed. The lashes were like just, I don't know, I did this and like it just kind of came off. So I was like, okay, no, I definitely applied it wrong. So I went ahead, put liner again, stuck the lash on. So this second time that I did it, I did just that. Like I swiped the liner on, like, you know, glided it on, and it stuck super quick. So it's definitely something that you have to like play around with so that you can get the hang of it. So yeah, I'm excited to see how these are gonna hold up throughout the day. Hey guys, I'm back. Right now it is 5-ish. So it's been like about 3 hours. I mean, I haven't really done anything that would like mess with my eyes. They're holding up pretty good. I mean, like I said, I can feel them. Like I do feel, it feels like when you're wearing like really big dramatic lashes, they're not like super uncomfortable. Plus they're not like poking me or anything anymore, because like I said, the second time around that I applied them, I finally applied them right. So, you know, they went on really smooth and I'm not like struggling with them or anything. So it is already the end of the day. Sorry if the lighting looks a little weird. I'm gonna be honest, the lashes hold up pretty well. I only reapplied them that one time. Application is pretty easy, I'm gonna admit, once you get the hang of it. Also, like I said, once you get the hang of it, like it's super quick and super easy, because I'm telling you, like the second time around that I put them, it took me less than a minute maybe. If you were to ask me if I recommend them, I do. I think that you guys should go get them if you like to wear let me rephrase that. If you like to wear natural looking lashes, but you struggle, I would say purchase this, practice a few times, maybe like once or twice, you know, once you get the hang of it, and then it'll be real easy for you to incorporate it into your everyday routine. I want to say that they have different styles of lashes. Like I said, this is the Wispies one. I think they do have different styles. I didn't see any at Ulta when I went. I only saw the Wispies, so I don't know what other styles they have. So yeah, like if you're used to dramatic lashes and like big lashes or whatever, it's honestly probably easier to just apply those than to apply this. But yeah, I mean, I would recommend it. I'd give it like an 8 out of 10. So yeah, guys, that's about it. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace and love.